If luxury had a throne on four wheels, it would look exactly like the Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600. This isn't just an SUV, it's a statement whispered in silk and spoken in power. The moment it glides into view, you understand this vehicle wasn't built to compete, it was built to reign. With a starting price hovering around $180,000, it sits at the summit of the SUV world, blending the prestige of Mercedes-Benz with the handcrafted opulence of Maybach. It's designed for those who don't just arrive, they make an entrance without saying a word. From the outside, the presence is undeniable. The massive chrome Maybach grille stands tall and regal, flanked by intelligent LED lighting that sparkles like cut crystal. Two-tone paint options, signature Maybach badging, and elegantly sculpted lines transform this full-size SUV into rolling architecture. Massive wheels and subtle chrome accents catch the light as it moves, while the power-deploying side steps glide out with quiet ceremony. It's bold without being loud, commanding without being aggressive. An SUV that wears a tailored suit instead of armor. Step inside and the world outside simply fades away. Diamond-stitched Napa leather wraps nearly every surface. Open-pore wood trims glow warmly under customizable ambient lighting, and the optional four-seat executive configuration turns the rear cabin into a private jet lounge. Reclining, massaging rear seats with ventilation and heating, folding tables, and even an available champagne refrigerator redefine what comfort means. The dual-screen Maybach system flows seamlessly across the dashboard, while a Burmester 3D sound system fills the cabin with concert hall clarity. It's not just luxury, it's immersion, crafted for passengers who expect serenity at highway speeds. Under the hood, a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with mild hybrid EQ boost produces effortless power, delivering around 550 horsepower with velvety smooth acceleration. Despite its size, the GLS 600 moves with surprising grace, reaching 60 mph in under 5 seconds while maintaining a ride quality that feels almost supernatural. The advanced e-active body control suspension reads the road ahead and adjusts in real time, ironing out imperfections before you even notice them. On the road, it feels less like driving and more like floating, isolated, composed, and whisper quiet. Add in cutting-edge driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping technology, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, and you have a vehicle that protects as confidently as it performs. Of course, perfection comes at a price beyond the window sticker. Fuel economy isn't its strong suit, and its sheer size can feel imposing in tight city spaces. But those are small compromises in a vehicle that delivers unmatched comfort, commanding road presence, and limousine-level rear luxury wrapped in SUV practicality. The Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 isn't for everyone, and that's precisely the point. It's for executives who prefer the back seat, for families who want first-class comfort, and for individuals who measure success not just by speed, but by serenity. In a world full of luxury SUVs, this one doesn't chase attention, it defines it.